Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought about posting the longer video, the longer tutorial on this top because I only posted YouTube shorts on this. So here I'm taking an old denim. It's really old, like 10 years old. So I am cutting it from here. You can use any color denim. So as you can see, I have not cut the denim from like all the sides, and the denim is still inside out, and I have drawn a heart, and then we are gonna cut the heart. This is like half heart, and when you open it, ta-da, you have a full heart. And now this is the outside portion of the denim. So cute. I love this blue color. I should stop talking. After that, I'm using an old t-shirt that I have once upon a time have tried to tie-dye and it didn't work out. So yeah, I'm gonna cut long strips out of this t-shirt like this, and with these strips I tried to make ruffles, and like just simple ruffles, just the way I am doing it right now. As you can see, I'm placing it one at the top of the other, and then I'm just gonna hand stitch them. I'm just placing them first. If I like it, then I'm gonna stitch them just like that. I have no idea about stitching. I am completely a beginner. I have no idea. Please don't judge me if you know how to stitch. I know you're judging me so hard, but I'm trying so hard as well. As you can see, I'm gonna hand stitch since I don't have a stitching machine. And this is one side. It looks okay, and now this is the full thing. I don't know how it looks, but this is way heavier than Olivia's. Now I have this very old black tank top which I have used for a lot of experiments, and my idea is to place it at the top of this top and just hand stitch it, and to stitch it in such a way so that I can remove it anytime I want. I'm going to tell you the truth, I didn't stitch the whole thing. I stitched the top portion very nicely, the top portion, and also at the bottom. This is how it turned out. I think it looks heavier than Olivia's, but it's cute, right? Do comment down below if you like it.